Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn numbers. Kids class name red color, green color, yellow color, blue color, yellow color, black color. Kids now coloring numbers. Kids first draw 1. The numbers of 1. O N E 1 and use red color. Kids now draw 2. The numbers of 2 and use green color. T W 2. Kids now draw 3. The numbers of 3 and use yellow color. T H R W 3. Kids now draw 4. The numbers of 4 and use blue color. F O U R 4. Kids now draw 5. The numbers of 5 and use yellow ochre color. Kids now draw 6. The numbers of 6 and use black color. S I X 6. Kids now draw 7. The numbers of 7 and use red color. S E V E and 7. Kids now draw 8. The numbers of 8 and use green color. E I T H T 8. Kids today draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.